I have to be honest and say that when you first contacted me about doing the show, my fear was that we'd just be sitting here page after page and you saying, and his father was a potato farmer. I'm almost hopeful that there are some criminals or reprobates in the past to give your show a little interest.
Are there any particular traits that you inherited from your ancestors, do you think?
I think definitely music.
Mm-hmm.
My dad's side, it's kind of undeniable when like everybody sings,
Mm-hmm.
and like a lot of people play instruments. And my dad was a guitarist, my uncle was a bluegrass guitarist, my aunt's a singer, my cousin is. I start talking like them when I start talking about. My cousin plays the guitar, my sister sings. So it's kind of hard to deny that there's something going on
Mm-hmm.
there. That's probably my strongest feeling of, familial sort of passed down, is the music.
Well, there's a delightful stereotype about the Philippines, which I'm very flattered by. I'll definitely rise to it if it's in my favor. But there happens to be a lot of people that love to sing in the Philippines. We love our karaoke, and if we were to, cast broad blanket statements about people, that might be in my blood, maybe, and the Irish as well.
Uh-huh.
I think I don't know. I think a lot of personality traits are more in nature than they are genetic. Who knows? So
Uh-huh.
I'd like to think that the Philippines and the Irish are somewhat infamously friendly people.
Uh-huh.
So I'll take that. But I think that's there's a-holes everywhere.
So you had no choice but to sing then.
I guess so. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe, or just to play music and to be. I think of it as being a storyteller.
Well, I mean, some obvious traits I've inherited from my parents, but I don't necessarily associate any of those with, well, not with deep ancestry anyway.
Right. What is the biggest ancestral mystery you hope we can solve for you today?
Well, I would like to know, with some definition, about the Native American, if in fact there's a strain of that. I have a recollection when I was 12 or 13 receiving a check from the Creek Nation.
Huh.
Perhaps a settlement of some kind. I mean, it was a check for like $200
Wow.
when I was 12 or 13 years old, which was a lot of money. I have to be honest and say that when you first contacted me about doing the show, my fear was that we'd just be sitting here page after page and you saying, and his father was a potato farmer. I'm almost hopeful that there are some criminals or reprobates in the past to give your show a little interest.
Well, we did our best to make it colorful.
So I really only know my dad's side, and I've always said we're German because I know my great-grandparents spoke German, and I did a paper my freshman year in high school, and that was about as far as I got. Now, my mom's side, I know very little about because she kind of left town in this Neodesha, Kansas, and other than a couple visits, we didn't get to know them, and she hasn't had really strong relationships, although she loves them. She just is kind of separated. So I don't know much about her side at all.
To see more incredible family history stories, click here. And thank you for watching.